Hello kids. In the last session we learned how to create a folder in Google Drive and how to create a subfolder. Today we are going to learn how to upload a file into a folder on Google Drive. So let's quickly start doing this. So the first step is you will need a folder in which you will be uploading the file. So right now I don't have any such folder, so I will create a folder. So click on New button. Select the folder option. Name the folder as folder. If you already have the folder named as my first folder, use the same folder for uploading the file. So you need to do first step you will be doing is open the folder in which you want to upload the file. Now the next step is click on New button again. After that you will select the option File Upload. Now let's see how to upload a file. So how to upload a file? Click on New button. Click on File Upload. Once you click on File Upload, a small window will appear in front of me on the screen called Open. So from here you can navigate to the folder in which you have the desired file located. Now suppose the file that I want to upload over here is located on desktop, so I will select desktop and I will search for my file. So my file is called as Advantages of Internet. See over here. And the file that I want to insert is a JPG file. So I will check whether it is a JPG file. Yes, it's a JPG file. So I will select Advantages of Internet because I want to upload this file into the folder. After I am done doing this, I will click on Open. And on the bottom right corner, see over here, it is coming one upload complete and I can see the file now in my folder. So this is how you upload a file into a folder on laptop or computer.